Who's gonna do it? Who's gonna do it? Yes. Good girl. How about Argos? Argos gonna do it? Gonna do it? Yes. Good boy. Good job. What about Harper? Harper gonna do it? Okay, hit it. Yeah, leave it on the ground. Yeah, good girl. There you go. Right, and then Sherlock. Ow! My gosh. You wanna get it? Get it. Get it. Let it hit it. Get it, hit it. No. Sherlock. Get it. Whack it. Yes, good boy. Good job. Skylar, do you want to try? Harper out. Back up. Thank you. Skylar, you want to try? Ready? You want to get it? Get it, Sky. Get it. Yes! Yay, Skylar! Good girl. Gonna get it, Sky? You gonna get it? You gonna get it?
That was easy.
Argos, yes. Good boy. Yes, Skylar. Good girl. Okay. All right. Good job, Skylar. You want to do it again? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That was easy.
I don't know who hit it, though. I think we bumped it. Harper. Thank you. Good girl. All right. Got it back up. Gonna get it?
That was easy.
Gotta get it? Nope, Skylar. That's it. Yes, Skylar. Gonna get it, Sky? Get it, Sky. Get it? Get it, Hopper. No, out. You have to punch it. Yes. Yes, good girl. That was good. You guys are nuts. You know how hard it is training 5 dogs here? Australia, you going to participate?